NASA OpenNEX App Store provides a voice assistant called Mata. Mata can answer queries related to earth science by calling APIs based on their workflow design. In order for Mata to support a workflow and a group of APIs, users can submit capability applications. The capabilities supported by Mata should undergo a review process by experts, and then will be used to answer users' various questions. In this video, I'll show you how a capability can be registered and reviewed by the experts. In order to enable users to add capabilities, first the admin needs to provide capability categories so that users can assign their capabilities to these categories. This option can be seen in the top menu. Then, as an App Store user, you can register your capability through the top menu. Here in this page, you should provide all the information regarding your capability. For example, I can provide this name as the name of my capability, this is my affiliation, and then I should also add authors. I should provide some keywords for my capability too. And also choose the categories. I can also provide some example questions that my capability can answer, and also my homepage URL. Then we can provide a dictionary of the words needed for the capability. As you can see, this dictionary is automatically generated for me. After accepting the NASA Web Privacy and Policy, by selecting this button, the capability will be registered. Now I can see my registered capabilities in this menu option. In this page, I can see the state of my capability in the review process. I can also add APIs to my capability by selecting this button. Searching for Fire will show me the list of relevant APIs to my capability. Now I can add APIs that I want to my capability. Then I can return to my capabilities page. Selecting this button helps me to design my workflow. I can select the APIs in this menu and drag and drop them to create my workflow design. Then I should save my workflow design. Selecting the Submit button will submit an application for reviewing my capability. I will also receive an email regarding my submission. This email is also shown in the App Store's mailbox too. Then, the admin can go to the admin menu and review capabilities. In this page, the admin can see several steps of the review process and the number of applications at each step. As a summary, the applications without decision will also be aggregated and shown here too. For example, in the screening step, we have one application. Selecting this option will show us all the applications at this step. Then, from the button in the Actions column, we can see all the details of this application. Then, the admin can decide to reject or approve this application. For example, here, we decide to reject the application. Then, an email is sent to the user to show the updated state of the application. The user can also go to the My Capabilities page to see the updated state. Now the user can edit his capability and resubmit the application. Then the application will go back to the screen process. This time the admin can approve the application. Then the application will go to the second step. In this step, we have to wait for the user to provide detailed information about the capability. The user can provide this detailed information by using this button. Submitting this information will allow me to go to the next step. Then the admin will see the user's updated information, and it's time for the admin to form a group of reviewers to review the application. In this page, the admin should select at least 3 reviewers to review the application. Then the admin should invite the reviewers and assign roles to them. Here, at least one person should be selected from each role. Otherwise, the application will go back to the previous step so that the admin adds more reviewers to cover the 3 different types of application reviews. The reviewers will receive invitation email. Depending on the decline, agree, or unavailable option that the reviewers select, the application may need to go back to previous steps so that the admin provides more reviewers. After accepting to review a capability, the reviewer will receive an email with a link to provide his review for the application. Reviewer can also see all the invitations he has accepted in this menu. Then, he can select the Evaluate link in the email or this button in this page to submit his review. Here you can see the score has been submitted by this reviewer. In case a reviewer forgets to respond to the invitation or send their scores, after 2 weeks, we can see all these applications here in this part of the menu. Selecting this option will show us which reviewer has forgotten to respond to our invitation. Then we can select this button to send a reminder to this reviewer. After all 3 reviewers submit their review, the application will go to the next step. And then the admin can make the final decision. On this page, the admin can see the result of the reviews. And decide about the final decision. All the approved applications are shown here in this menu option. The user will see also the updated information in this page. Approving a capability will publish it and make it ready to be supported by the MOTA. So users can use this menu option to ask their queries. For example, here we can hear a question asked by one of our users to see if there has been any fire in California and the response we get from MOTA.
Hi.
Hello, I am Meta. I can help you on fire or climate services.
How can I help you? Fire services, climate services, or other services?
Fire service.
Okay, I can provide fire services. Tell me your question.
Were there any fires burning on November 24, 2017 in California?
Yes, this area called now 24 3 days.